silver nitrate solution. Silver nitrate solution. NaN3, or excuse me, NaNO3. NaNO3. Okay, this can stain your hands, so be very, very careful when using it. This can stain your skin permanently. So we're going to add some silver nitrate to a test tube. Okay, we'll get some more in there so we can use it. And one more. Now, we will take copper coiled around this pencil. That is copper metal. And we will place it into the silver nitrate. And we will see what happens. Maybe not very fast, but over the span of maybe 30 seconds or so, we should start to see a change. Amazing change. Why, yes indeed, we do see a change. The solution turned blue, and the copper coil, oh my gosh, got coated with silver. So the copper changed into silver. How did that happen? Write the products. We have silver, and we also have something turned blue here. It was turning blue because it has blue flecks on the bottom of the flask. What is happening? What is happening?